What are you doing, man?
Oh, I'm just hanging out here with my two big black balls, bells. Hey guys, Funk Roberts from over40shred.com and funkmma.com, and today I'm excited to bring you an advanced kettlebell workout. Now, the reason why I call this an advanced workout is because we're gonna be using 2 kettlebells for each exercise. So again, a little bit more load, a little bit more concentration on technique. So in today's workout, we're gonna do 4 exercises. Each exercise, you can do 10 reps each, moving slowly but focused on each rep, getting the most out of each rep. And then I'm gonna show you another version, just a little variation on each of those exercises. So really, you're gonna get 2 workouts in one. Anyways, I'm done talking. Let me show you this awesome advanced kettlebell workout. Version number 1 of this kettlebell workout, we're gonna be doing 10 reps of each exercise, one after the other. After we're done all 4 exercises, I want you to rest for 90 seconds and then repeat for 5 rounds. That's one workout, that's all you need to do, but you'll see it's gonna be tough.
First exercise and workout number 1 are double kettlebell swings. So this is a posterior chain exercise, lower body exercise. As you can see, my legs are spread out a little bit more so I can swing both kettlebells through. The key here is, again, using the lower body, the hips, and your glutes to get that kettlebell up. My arms are just there as a fulcrum, but all the power is in my posterior chain. So my glutes, squeeze the glutes to the top, the hips, and exhale on the way up, inhale on the way down. Our next exercise are double racked reverse lunges. So these are reverse lunges. Here I've already racked the kettlebells, so right now my core's tight, ensuring that I don't fall forward, and I step back and use that front leg to push off. Again, the key is making sure that that core is tight so you don't fall over, and also from side to side. Next exercise are bent over alternating rows. So here we're hitting the lats. Again, core's got to be tight. Try to keep that back as straight as you can. So by looking up, you'll definitely do that. And focus. Go as slow as you can. You really want to focus on the lats doing the movement. You're doing 10 reps per side. Okay, so it's 10 reps per side of this exercise. Again, exhale on the way up, inhale on the way down. Next exercise are alternating kettlebell presses. So again, you want to move slow. As soon as you press one kettlebell up, bring it down, then you press the other one up. You're hitting the chest, you're hitting your shoulders and triceps with this exercise. But again, move nice and slow, 10 reps per side, exhale on the way up, inhale on the way down.
Second version of this workout, we're gonna do actually for time. So you're gonna do each exercise 40 seconds of work followed by 20 seconds rest, one after the other. Rest for 1 minute and then repeat for 5 rounds. Hope you enjoy this. Let's get it done.
First exercise and workout number 2 are double kettlebell high pulls. So here it's like a kettlebell swing, as you can see, but now we're just pulling the kettlebells up high. So elbows are high, we pull towards our head and then we push back out. That's the key. You got to push those kettlebells back out. Same thing as the swing, lower body, posterior chain movement. Next exercise are double cleans. So here we're using the slight swing to help us clean those kettlebells up. During the clean, in order for them not to hurt your wrist, you want to make sure that you keep your elbows tight. Elbows tight to the body, core tight when you get to the top. Rest for a second, or not rest, but really keep your core tight, everything engaged when you get to the top movement, and then release. Next exercise are double kettlebell rows. So instead of alternating, now we're rowing both at the same time. Same thing applies. You want to keep that back straight. You want to focus on the lats doing the movement. You're doing 10 reps. Try to keep that head up and again, focus on breathing. And finally, kettlebell floor presses. So now we're pressing at the same time, bringing the kettlebells all the way down and then exhaling on the way up, and try to press above your eyes. So as you can see, the kettlebell and my hands are above my eyes. So again, really focusing on the chest doing the movement.
So I hope you enjoyed those 2 workouts. Again, I gave you 2 separate workouts. So you're gonna do the variation number 1 on maybe a Monday, and maybe on Friday, come back and do variation number 2, and do those for 6 to 8 weeks, and you're gonna see an incredible difference in your strength, in your fat loss, in your performance, and just in your overall muscle growth, all right? So I hope you guys enjoy that. Again, love my kettlebells, favorite piece of equipment, and I hope you guys love it too. Please like this, share this, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Let me know how you did with this workout. And again, I will see you next Tuesday with another awesome workout. I'm Funk Roberts. Now it's your turn to get it done.